For many, purchasing a home is a rare and once-in-a-lifetime dream. Such opportunities are precious, so people seek out trusted developers to ensure this extraordinary experience is exceptional. One such esteemed developer is the Pride Group, a real estate pioneer that has been transforming India's skyline for over 30 years. Our commitment to eco-efficiency, sustainability, and advanced technological progress sets us apart. With 30+ landmarks, 20+ ongoing projects, and over 150,000 happy residents, we are dedicated to building tomorrow today. Join us as we continue to craft exclusive and private spaces in Pune, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Introducing Pride Euphora, a masterpiece of modern living on Old Madras Road. Spread across 2.5 acres, this project stands tall for 2 basements, ground plus 18 floors. It has a total of 212 apartments, ranging between 2, 3, 4, and luxury penthouses. Each unit is meticulously designed with Vastu compliance, ensuring well-ventilated spaces with 180-degree views. Pride Euphora is not just about luxury, it's about lifestyle. With over 30+ lifestyle amenities like a swimming pool, a clubhouse, gym, and landscape garden, this property has everything that you need for a fulfilling life. The project is well connected, with close proximity to major IT hubs, metro station, schools, shopping center, and health centers. Experience privacy and convenience like never before, with 80% open space. Now time to step into Pride Euphora, blissful living. This is a 3 BHK, 1925 square feet model apartment. Let's unleash. First up, the main door. Check out this height. It's 8 feet. And this cool digital lock system by Yale or equivalent, secure and stylish. We're welcomed by this beautiful foyer space, which is the size of 9.8 by 6, which further extends to an L-shaped living area, which is very thoughtfully designed to maximize the space. With a dimension of 17 into 12.6, this living room is airy, bright, and roomy, perfect for your gatherings with family or cozy nights in. Moving over to the balcony, which has an area of 5.6 into 13 feet, one can now take in the breathtaking views. With a huge 10 feet floor-to-ceiling height, the apartment looks spacious and airy. Next up, you have an auspicious puja room with an area of 4 by 4.6 feet. Next up, we're in the kitchen, which is designed to be both stylish and functional. Look at the modular switches. Also look at the gas pipeline that is provided by the builder, making it an ideal space for cooking. The dimensions of this kitchen is 9 by 10.10. You also get a storage unit which is 4.6 by 4.6 feet and a utility right outside, which is the size of 9.8 by 5.6, designed for all your needs. Stepping out from the kitchen to the dining area, the size of 9.10 by 11 by 11 with cozy lighting for your dine time. Moving on, now you're in the master bedroom with a size of 15 into 12.8 feet, which is in the southwest corner of the house. It's equipped with laminated flooring and a balcony wide open with a wooden finish tile. Your master bedroom comes with a balcony with an area of 5.6 by 7 feet with open views of scenic landscapes. Imagine waking up to these views every morning. The bathroom here has jacuzzi or equivalent fittings and a sleek shower partition. Furthermore, there has been no concession made about the dimensions, with it having an area of 9 by 6 feet. Moving on to the second bedroom of this apartment, the dimension of this house is 7.6 by 11 feet. And a balcony with a wooden finish tile with area of 8.10 by 4, which is rather large. The spacious, luxurious bathroom here again has anti-skid tiles. And finally, in the third bedroom on our tour, the dimension of this room will be 12.2 into 11 by 4. We have a common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, jacuzzi or equivalent fittings with an area of 5 by 8 feet next to your dining space. At Pride Euphora, it's not just a house, it's a home. Thank you for joining me on this tour. We can't wait to welcome you at your new home at Pride Euphora.